Alright, in this section we're going to be completing the square to find the vertex. So in the previous section we talked about finding the vertex and what the vertex is, and we're going to be talking more about that. But we had it in a special form that we could just look at and tell what the vertex is. But that's not going to be the case this time. If I'm given, for example, y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 5. And the idea here is we want to be able to graph this thing. Okay? And if we know where the vertex is located, well, that helps out a lot. So this is the pattern that we need to take in order to find the vertex. Alright. So let's just continue this right down here. What we're going to do is I'm going to look at this piece right here. Okay, first thing, and this is how we're going to do this. You're going to take a half and you're going to multiply it by whatever this number is. So let's say it's -2, and then what we're going to do is we're going to square this. Now this may not make sense right now, but just follow me. So a half of -2 is -1, and -1 squared is 1. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to rewrite this. This is y is equal to x squared minus 2x, and I'm going to leave a space here, and then I'm going to go plus 5. The number that we're going to plug into this space right here is going to be the plus 1 that we found. Okay. This number right here is going to go in there. Well, if that goes in there, then we need to write a -1 outside here, because a +1 and a -1, you know, they just disappear. We're back with the original here. Okay. Alright, well, now that we've done that, this piece here, what we're going to do now is I'm going to start a parentheses, and we're going to take half of this number again, which makes that just a -1. Close parentheses, put the square here. Alright. This piece right here now is what we're looking at. The plus 5 minus 1 is a positive 4. Guess what? We just completed the square. Now we can go back and look at this right here and tell what the vertex is. And I'm just going to state that with the letter V. So the vertex is a point. This is your x, and positive 4. Okay? So remember, this is a plus out here, and that was important. So the vertex is at 1, 4. We go over 1 and up 4, and it's going to look something like this. Okay? So that's all we're concerned about right now. Looks something like this right here. You can find the y-intercept by plugging 0 directly in, and you get 5. So it looks like about right there. This is where it crosses the y-axis at when y is 5. Alright. Okay, well, let's look at some more of these. You're going to need lots of examples to look at to get this pattern down, probably. Alright, so we're going to look at this one here. Y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 11. So we have x squared minus 6x. We're going to have a blank here, plus 11. Now we need to figure out what goes in that blank. You're going to take a half every time, multiply it by whatever this number is, happens to be -6. Okay, square that number. So a half of -6 is -3. And of course we square it and we get a 9. So 9 goes here, and of course it's a plus 9, and you must put a -9 outside. Alright, so y is equal to, now we go x minus a half of this number, which is 3, squared, and then we take this number here, plus 9, 11 minus 9 is a plus 2.